Hey there, kiddos. This begins systems of equations in only two variables. You can't have more. So a linear graph represents all the xy pairs that satisfy a given equation. So if I have x plus y equals 5, that's going to be this. And every point on that graph will satisfy that equation. 0, 5. 0 plus 5 works. This point, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Every point on this line satisfies this equation. That's what it really means to have a linear equation. That's what the graph is representing. The infinite set of points that satisfy a given equation. So, let me make that bigger. A system of equations is when you have two or more graphs or equations. Now we're going to start by solving them graphically. So the three options are, you have a line and another line, they meet as a point. We can have two lines that have the same slope, which is called what? That's right, parallel. And they have no solution because they never meet. There's no point that crosses, whereas this is the answer for that. And I could give you two equations that look different but end up being the same line, and that's going to be infinitely many solutions. So let's do a few examples here. There we go. So first example, graph that. Y-intercept is 0. -3 is the slope. I'm going to convert that to slope-intercept form. I'm going to graph the y-intercept, continue my -1 slope, forward and backwards. Now I'm making sure that I dot all the dots that I can dot on the dotting grid, so that when I dot these, and then I dot the reds, and I've dotted the same dot twice, that's how I know they're definitely on both lines. Therefore, the answer is -1, 3. If I go to the next one, graph that, and then I convert the other one to slope-intercept form. I'm going to add y to both sides and subtract 3 from both sides. Gives me this, and when I graph that, I find that they're parallel, and you see that they have the same slope, so you know that they'll never hit, so that is no solution. My last one, don't forget our special cases, that a y equals is a horizontal line, x equals is a vertical line, and therefore those end up crossing at -4, 3 is that answer there. All right, see you next class.